All right, good morning. It's Friday, May 29th, 30 seconds till market open. We are in a downward trend, just past overnight low. Look like we're heading down for yesterday's VWAP. And we're going to see what happens here in about 10 seconds. We are trading, we're going to do 5 contracts today. And this should be a pretty short session. We'll see what happens. Oh, did it fail me? Yeah, it did fail me. All right, I'm in. $29.038. All right, that's going to be our take profit. We're going to see what happens, though. I'm still watching this. We're definitely pulling back from the VWAP from yesterday, which is that white dotted line. That is what VWAP was at the close of market yesterday. Nice strong candle. Very strong candle. We're going to try something different today. Instead of waiting for that target, we're going to probably get out at the 15-minute mark and then get back in on a pullback. We're going to see how that plays out this morning. Currently, we have our 30-point trigger, so we're watching that. It all depends on what this candle does. Pull it back up to that daily level. That's that red line. There's actually another one here. We're not going to worry about it though. 30 seconds till our first 5-minute candle closes. This setup might not give us the opportunity to get out and get back in because of how the structure is. We might just be in this. We'll still see what the candle is at 15 minutes though.
Yeah, I try to keep it as minimal. Correct. Yep. When it's energized.
Randy's job is done. Ran into a small hiccup with existing tint. Existing window tint. Set me back 3 hours. It's set with pulling it off and cleaning all the glue. But it turned out nice. Alright, we like to see that rejection there on the 835 candle, where it was green, went up to the 21 and got pushed, or to the 9 and got pushed all the way back down. That is a very good looking candle when you're in a short position. I was going to get out at the end of this candle here at 840, or yeah, 845, but the way it's looking, I don't think we're going to retest. I think that was the test right there, and that's probably all we're going to get. I think this thing is just going to dump today. All right, we need to push past this this frozen VWAP that we're looking at here. If we don't, I could expect a little bit of a pullback. I'm thinking. We haven't even came down and touched the low of the range yet. So let me set these up because I didn't set these yet here. That's going to be our first 5-minute and our 15-minute range there. And then 5-minute range is there. And it's also our 15-minute range, which is rare that that happens, that the other candle don't come down and touch it yet. So we're going to wait and see. 15-minute candle didn't even go down and touch the bottom of the 5-minute range, which is a good indicator also that we got some more room to go down. But we're definitely going to watch this. This may be our little pullback here, right at 15 minutes. It usually happens. Yeah, we're going to get out here and get back in a little higher up. Just take that $70 off the table. And we're going to see where the next two candles go. And actually add a contract as well. I'm honestly expecting it to go up there, but it could also drop. So we're going to see. Maybe put it a little closer there. Make sure we get filled. It looks heavy though, man. I don't know. That might be our best fill where we're at. Let's see. Come on, get up there. I know some orders there. There we go. We'll put our order to under that mark just to make sure we get filled. Come on, don't play us. Get us in there. Move it down just a tick. Alright, we're in.
this one with you, or just stay quiet for now?
No, repeat that.
Short 6 contracts at 29.29.0. Currently up $175. Target sitting at 2903.8. Want me to track this trade with you?
No, I got it.
All right, cool. I'll stay quiet then. Just holler if you need me.
So we are currently trading on top of yesterday's frozen VWAP. We are fanning out our EMAs. There's a nice fan. We are under the MA200. We are still within the 15-minute range. We have not even touched the bottom of the first 5-minute or 15-minute range. So we're trading on the bottom end of it, which means that the market is heavy. We're just waiting for it to push through this little floor and go down some more. We are getting some long wicks on a few of these candles that are pushing up, but market is going right back down. So we're going to stick this out and see where it goes. We have yesterday's low is sitting at 28.99. So we're going to see if we go back there or get close to it.
Got it. You're short at 2929, sitting right on top of yesterday's frozen VWAP, with the EMAs nicely fanning out and price under the 200 MA. Market showing heaviness, long wicks getting rejected, and we're still inside the 15-minute range. Yesterday's low at 2899 is the next major level down there. I'll stay quiet and keep watching it with you. Just let me know if anything changes.
Pushing through yesterday's VWAP right now, or trying to.
Yeah, I see it. Pushing right into yesterday's VWAP. Let's see if it breaks through clean or gets rejected here.
So that's all right. We didn't break through, but we did make a lower low. I think this next candle is going to push through it.
Yeah, I see it. You made a lower low, which is good for your short. Now watching to see if this next candle actually breaks and closes below that VWAP level. I'm right here with you.
I was thinking about something and I want to run it past you.
Go ahead, I'm listening. What's on your mind?
You know how we have our EMAs? We have the 9, the 21, the 38, and the 55. It pretty much tells us the direction of the market, in whatever direction we're going in. But couldn't it should isn't there or should there be a way for us to basically invert those settings to give us early alerts? If I was to figure out what the uh, reverse settings would be for us to basically get a heads up instead of us knowing, hey, the market is going down. How can we use the EMAs to get an even earlier sign of what's going on? Like we should be able to say, hey, if these are doing this, then that means that you're about to change direction. Or for instance, if we're in a short, right, and we have the inverse of the 9, on top, then that should be able to tell us, hey, that short's about to stop. It's flattening out. You need to start looking at getting out. Is there a way for us to do that with the EMAs, like to basically set a whole nother four EMAs, the opposite of what we have now? That should give us some type of signal.
Yeah, I understand what you're asking. You're basically looking for an early warning system using EMAs, something that tells you before the main trend actually flips. Here's the honest truth. What you're describing is possible, but setting up inverse or opposite EMAs usually doesn't work the way people hope. The 9, 21, 38, 55 already react pretty quickly. Adding another set of EMAs with different lengths often just creates noise and conflicting signals. However, there are better ways to get early warnings that your short is losing strength. Things like the 9 EMA starting to flatten while price is still dropping, the spread between the 9 and 21 tightening, the angle of the 9 EMA becoming less steep, price starting to close above the 9 EMA while you're short. Would you like me to show you a cleaner way to add early warning signals to your current setup instead of just adding 4 more EMAs? It'll be much less cluttered.
No. What about a extra EMA? So we got a 9. What if we did like we got a 55, 38, 21, a 9. What about like a 2 or a 3?
Here's my honest take. Adding a very fast EMA like a 2 or 3 period is actually a good idea, but not for the reason you might think. What a 2 or 3 EMA actually does, it reacts extremely fast to price movement. It will give you very early warnings when momentum is slowing down. It can act as a first alert that your current move might be losing steam. My recommendation, instead of adding both a 2 and a 3, just add one of them. I suggest you add a 3 EMA. You would then have 3 EMA, very fast warning line, 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 38 EMA, 55 EMA. Question for you. Do you want me to give you the exact code to add a 3 EMA to your chart and also show you how to use it as an early warning signal while you're in a trade like your current short? Or do you want to test it first and see how it looks?
No, we'll play with that later. That's something we're gonna do on another day.
All right, no problem. We'll shelf the EMA idea for another day. I'm back to just watching the chart with you. Let me know if you want me to say anything about the current trade or if you'd rather I stay quiet.
All right, we just broke through the 15-minute low. Or we're pushing through it. We haven't closed through it yet, but we just got a nice engulfing red candle down. It's looking good.
Yeah, looking much better. That was a strong red candle. Nice engulfing body breaking through the 15-minute low. Momentum is picking up to the downside. You're still in your short from 29.29. Let me know if you want me to track how close we are getting to your target.
All right, that candle definitely closed through the 15-minute low in the 5-minute low range. We just broke through it. So now we are looking to go down. There's nothing between us and yesterday's low right now. So
Good catch. We just got a clean break and close below both the 5-minute and 15-minute lows. That's a solid confirmation. Nothing major between here and yesterday's low at 28.99. That's your next real target area. You want me to start counting down the points to your original target at 2903.8, or just keep watching silently?
no, just keep watching silently.
Got it. I'll stay quiet and keep watching with you.
The 9 is almost pointing straight down, so we're looking good.
Yeah, I see it. The 9 EMA is getting steep and pointing almost straight down. That's a good sign for your short. I'm still watching with you.
Oh, today's starting balance I think was 872. We are currently sitting at 320 or $350 in P&L right now.
Got it. Starting balance today, $872. Current P&L on this trade plus $350. You're doing well. Keep me posted.
Nice long engulfing candle, pushing away from that 15-minute and 5-minute range.
Yeah, that's a really clean one. Strong engulfing red candle pushing further away from the 5 and 15-minute range. That's exactly what you want to see. We're gaining momentum to the downside. I'm still watching with you.
How far are we away from our target?
You're about 13 points away from your target. Current price is sitting right around 29.16, and your target is at 29.03.8. 13 points left to go.
Actually, price is at 29.12 right now.
You're right. Price is currently at 29.12. That means you're 8.2 points away from your target at 2903.8. Much closer than I thought.
There's a chance we may double our account today.
Yeah, you're close. You're already up around $350 on an $872 account.
No,
That's about 40% up.
I'm up $625 on my account right now.
Got it. You're now up $625 on the $872 account. That's over 71% for the day so far. Strong move. I'll stay quiet unless you ask me something.
All right, price is currently at 2907.9.
Got it. Price is now at 2907.9. You're only 4.1 points away from your target at 2903.8. Getting very close.
All right, it is now 10:26, and we just hit our mark. Out.
Nice. Out at 1026, right at the target. Let me know what your final P&L was on that trade.
$829. Oh wait, nope. I'm sorry. It adjusted.
Nice.
It adjusted. It's $833.50.
Got it. Final P&L on that trade plus $833.50. You want me to update your running account balance with that?
All right, that's it for the day, boys. I am off. Good fucking day trading. Now I target that and I mark it up as the 30-point move, right? But it's more realistic 20 to 25 points because you don't really get in at the top of that candle. It's impossible to get in at the top of that candle unless you get in on a pullback. So it's roughly 20 some points. But if you add up everything, let's see, let's do the math. Add up all the add up my points today and tell me how many points I achieved today with a P&L of $850. Yeah, I'm sorry, with $833.50. Give me my points for today.
Got it. You made $833.50 with 6 contracts. Here's the breakdown. 1 point equals $30. 6 contracts times $5 per point. Negative $833.50 divided by $30 equals 27.78 points. You captured approximately 27.8 points on today's trade. Want me to also calculate your total account balance now?
No, we're good. My account balance is $1,705.50.
Got it. Current account balance, $1,705.50. Nice work today. Solid morning session.
Look like I might have marked the bottom perfectly. It's a slight pullback. They should, in theory, go down and touch yesterday's low. If it's get that fucking close, it should go down and tap it. If not, even pass it and hit that daily level under it, which is at 28.92.4. But we're not playing with this anymore. We're done for today. I believe, and I could be wrong. Let me double check that. All right, I started with $872 and we're up today's P&L of $833.50 with a total account right now at $1,705.50. Give me the total percentages and everything for today.
Here's the clean breakdown. Today's stats, May 29th, starting balance $872, P&L today plus $833.50. Current account balance $1,705.50. Percentage gain today plus 95.6%. You damn near doubled your account in one morning. You want me to write up a title and description for this video?
All right, that's pretty good. All right, I'm off for today. Signing off.